Alright, hey guys, it's a Silent Rain here, and this is my Airsoft review of the Tokyo Marine non-blowback Airsoft gun. It is modeled after the USP. This module, which all it is a flashlight, it just screws off here. And it has one pretty big LED. And here's a silencer. Now I have shot this gun and it works very well. It holds a 25 round clip, and the gas lasts maybe, this green gas right here lasts maybe 2 or 3 clips around there. And some features, it came with silencer in the module. Silencer, it has no tube in it, but it still does work, and it actually kind of quieten it down a bit, but it's not like dramatically quieting it, it's just only a little bit. Slide safety right here. And this back safety is only when the hammer is cocked back, and you can have a double safety on. Doesn't really matter. While shooting, the hammer goes back, and I preferred the green gas with the silicone lubrication, so you don't have to go taking apart your gun and doing stuff like that. And the Airsoft BBs I use is good old Air Splat .2s. And the reason why is, if you use .12s or .12s and a good quality gun like this or my M4 over there, sometimes it will cause problems. Like, sometimes they can even bust inside of them. So, well, probably not in a gas gun, but in an electric gun, yeah, it'll probably bust. But I'm not real sure. And this is basically all my review. And I'll probably have a shooting video up soon. I'm not sure. And well, hold on. I'm going to show you how it sounds with just gas. Alright. And that's what it sounds like, so. And, goodbye for now. And, I'll have other videos up soon. Please recommend me to friends, fellow subscribers, stuff like that. I really want more views and stuff, so I can so it makes me want to make more videos. And goodbye. This has been a Silent Rain.